This is a high-efficiency pedal board roll forming line, specially designed for stable and continuous production. From uncoiling to feeding, roll forming to automatic cutting, the entire process runs smoothly with high precision. Advanced forming technology ensures uniform shape, strong structure, and consistent quality in every panel. With high-speed performance and reliable operation, this line helps maximize your production efficiency. Built for the India market, this solution delivers long service life and excellent performance.